So without question, it is one of the most awaited, most anticipated days on the footballing calendar. So, and this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. As you can see, we've already started here. Maldini. To Cristiano Ronaldo. Fiddles it through. That's been cut out, well played. And the counter is on. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's got plenty of space out wide here. And it's Casemiro. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's some Mbappe!
Good.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with. It was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Juventus didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? Cruyff.
And the
shot! Has a shot!
Oh, a low phase there.
Stop from the keeper. Jimmy sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
And it's Cancelo. João Cancelo. Oblak catches it safely. Ronaldo, who's set up one goal so far. Good spot, he's seen the run. De Ligt does really well to win the ball there.
Nee, kan wat dol over zo, want je moet dan een neer doen.
They've played it short. Roberto Carlos! That's a half-decent try. Oh no, no circumventing this opponent. And here's Cruyff. And they can counter here. Foden. Oh, this is a very good run. Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past. Now it's Hoffman. And he's straight offside. Maldini. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Ronaldo is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
There will be 1 minute at a time.
Now it's Mbappe. Kimmich.
Pass along.
And that'll be the final action of the first half. Well, there we are. Off they go for half-time. The break.
Please the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Leading 1-0 at the break. And we're already back underway here. Well,
boom!
A 2-goal lead, and they're firmly in control. It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike. And
Ronaldo lại ha,
So that's two now without reply.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Now it's Cruyff. Hoffman. Foden. And now the breakaway. Looking for the runner.
Quỷ đẹp thằng này rồi. Lan ta chơi Mbappé, tiếng ngọng chút đó, một liêu lô tụt. Goal
looks to get on the end of this. Looking to break out here. Now it's Weghorst. Out to the left it goes. Trion can get it clear. No, that's been intercepted. Hoffman. Good running, strong and purposeful.
Martinez really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Spread out to the left. Oh, he's picked out the runner. Now it's Kimmich. Mbappe. Mbappe!
Ivan Carve thiam lâu luôn lại mấy đủ nó pause thấy đâu thì nó ngay ông nó tụi
Trion picks it up from the goal kick. Mbappe. It's a good ball and it could be in. And he's heaved it away. Cruyff has a goal. Oh, that is rather wayward.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
So here comes a substitution.
Hit the tail.
Oh, that's a key interception. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning.
The left back bang nel chứ, ngay là bóng ngầu này.
Kimmich. Mbappe.
Biết liền hắn biết là bóng rồi.
Can he put it away? Oh, the ball's run loose here. Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Kimmich with the short one. Hits one! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Not the best distribution from the keeper. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Mbappe. Now it's Cruyff. Good ball over the top. He sees it all the way.
Time is zo.
Van het doei gezien dan hier. Win by a very competent performance.
Good.
In the grand scheme of things, may not have too much riding on it, but it is equally clear and very visible that there is this place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. They've got on the way here pretty promptly. Johan Cruyff, the human phenomenon, known to so many as the Dutch master.
Well, you look at his records up until now, Peter, and they really are astounding. You remember the European final where he scored 2 goals, which prompted the Dutch media to say that he single-handedly brought an end to the era of defensive football.
Now with him at your side, who needed defending?
I'll brush that quip aside, Peter. You know trends in football come in phases, and I think the current one is very much his.
Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Casemiro gets the better of his opponent and gets the ball. Kimmich looking to break out here. Oh, here's a chance! What a wonderful stop!
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Well, the boss won't be happy about that at all. They were pedestrian in possession and carried almost no threat at all. Lovely ball into space. Roberto Carlos. Oh, that's nice. Roberto Carlos delivers. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Mahrez. And he's picked out the run. Oh, that's a very great hit! It's bounced out! There it is! Cruyff duly reaps his reward, kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Oh, look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
A 1-0 lead established.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Now it's Mbappe, and it's Çalhanoğlu. Interesting ball, and he's found the run. He's in a good position here. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's
Good.
with half-time. That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter. When you've got two strong teams of fairly equal standing, the outcome should all come down to finishing.
Kimmich. And the referee brings the first half to a close. So, a very watchable game so far. Action at both ends and the team's level. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, we thought this would be close, Peter, and it's proving us right so far. They're well matched, and it presents a fascinating battle of wits to see who'll emerge on top or otherwise.
So both teams heading off for the break. An interesting game has brewed up here, hoping perhaps for a little bit more from both parties in the second half. And the finish!
He's quite the pro. The speed and sharpness in his game gives him an advantageous edge, and he applies it with lethal effect. He's class, real class.
Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
That's just a great finish, but it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on the training ground. He knew exactly where he wanted the ball, and it all came good.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? It's a throw-in. A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Not just front foot enforcement. Pressure leads to mistake, leads to chance.
Number 7.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. It's going to be a double change then.
Mbappe. Coming on the field. Number 20. Messi. Number 9.
Lewandowski. Now it's Kimmich. Loose pass, and they could be in. Goalkeeper's ball. Cruyff, who's made his mark on this game,
The attendance
gets
for
his
this
pass
match
away.
was
The ball needing to be better
71,649.
there, so a wasted chance. And it's Maldini. And here's Cruyff. Might be danger here. Can he finish?
Trẻ em thế nào chứ? Cú nã
Well, this is just incredible. I mean, who would have seen this? Not a manager, I think. It's all happening.
After 64 minutes is...
Yeah, the right touch in moments like that is key to what follows. All very neat and tidy.
We have got changes here from both sides, in fact. This is quite a battle.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a bullet was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Maldini. Now it's Messi. He's going to be disappointed with that. Messi. Kimmich. Hits one! It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Mbappe. And it's Messi. Played out towards the right wing.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement.
He's had a shot!
Tôi suy cho bọc đầu cho
We could be headed for a scenario in which next goal is the winner. That chance could have been it too.
It's Lewandowski, now and Messi! Oh no, that could be a costly miss.
Nắng khel. Là thua xuống.
Keeper has taken decisive action. He's got the goal! Oh, should have put that away. And it's been taken short. Great chance! Now, who's going to be first to this?
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And now the breakaway. Cruyff. Now, who's going to be first to this?
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
4 added minutes has been indicated.
Maldini. Chance to break. Messi! Great strike! But the keeper's equal to it.
Yes! You can celebrate when lonely.
And it's certainly no fluke when you see a player of his caliber manufacture a goal that will surely seal the deal in this contest. Brilliant instinct and great timing by such a clever operator.
A wonderful delivery, and all it needed was a touch.
Yeah, he makes those runs with great stealth, and it goes like a rival to get his head to the ball.
Lewandowski.
To celebrate when they push off the gun.
Having turned the game on its head, now can they hold out?
There's still a bit left in it, Peter, but they should find it necessary to avoid a slip-up now.
And that's it. Well, somehow they turned it round. Every ounce of energy, emotional, physical, mental, is spent. That is some win. Picking up the Man of the Match award, and no surprise there.
Game nga.